बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you our most stunning and very pretty ideas and items of sewing craft work for your home decor. These are super stunning and most unique and very classy and very beautiful sewing craft ideas for you guys. You guys make these sewing craft at home very easily. You watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these sewing craft ideas at home very easily. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very pretty and very unique and very amazing sewing ideas for your home decor. Hope so guys you all are doing well. And I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. These are super stunning and most beautiful and very classy sewing ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all guys. These are super incredible and very pretty sewing ideas for you guys. Follow for more details and keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very amazing, these are very unique, and these are very latest sewing ideas for you guys. So hopefully you are doing well and you like this video. If you want different other kind of videos, then you also leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. And you must try at your homes and decorate your homes and decorate your things on these. These are best creative wall hanging ideas for you guys. Always take care, always be happy, and remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.